morning, everyone. It is 5:52 a.m. We are just about to head out. I am finishing my cup of coffee with some creamer, not some creamer, some half and half, and vanilla syrup. And I had some water and vitamins, and we're about to head out to the airport. Our bag is 15 pounds overweight. So we just got to our gate. Got a vanilla almond milk latte. We're sharing a cinnamon raisin bagel and a yogurt parfait. Hey guys, we just landed in Arizona. I've had 3 coffees because we were up at 4:30, but honestly I feel still tired, so it's not that weird for me to have 3 coffees, to be honest. I might have another one. Vacation coffees don't count, so it's fine. But we are gonna get to the hotel and then we're gonna go to brunch. Hey guys, we just got to this cute little brunch spot called Butters. Frankie got a smoothie and I got a fresh squeezed half grapefruit, half orange juice. We just ate so much food that our stomachs are ready to explode, but it was so good. Okay guys, so we are in the hotel room. So this angle's really weird, but you're resting on a tissue box. I'm like in the bathroom. I just took a little shower and we have a cute little tub. My like stuff is everywhere. I'm wearing this like terry cloth set. It's like shorts and a top from Frankie's Bikinis. I usually use it as like a bikini cover, like a cover-up situation, but I'm just wearing it right now. I'm about to start getting ready and we have dinner in like an hour, so I want to like get cute and do my hair and like take photos and stuff beforehand. But yeah, I'm excited for dinner. I'm not like super terribly hungry considering we ate so much before, but I am still excited. Good morning. I just woke up. It is, what time is it? 8:30. We actually got in a really early night last night, which was nice. What is my hair? Frankie is off at his meeting. They're like serving them breakfast. He already woke up, went to the gym, and showered and got ready, and now is off to his meeting for the day. I am living my best stay-at-home girlfriend life. We went to bed at like, I don't even know, like 9 o'clock, which was so nice, and I woke up at like 8:30. But yeah, I just made myself some coffee in the room. I'm debating what I want to do. I might have some coffee and water sent up here because there was only enough in the thing, the Keurig thing, for 1 cup. So I think maybe I'll work a little bit, eat something, and then go to the gym. I usually like to just go to the gym right away, but I kind of woke up at this weird time where like, I don't know. Also, I didn't film the dinner last night. It was like kind of like hors d'oeuvres, and then like the other part of the dinner was we were like standing and like you could go up and like get food. But like it all happened so fast. It wasn't like a sit down dinner where I like felt comfortable filming because we were like talking to people the whole time. So it was like his company. Everything can be on the side. Any of the toppings for the oatmeal just can be on the side. Okay, no worries. Thank you. Thanks, you too. Got us some room service. By us, I mean me. I got the Irish oatmeal, some fruit, like an assorted fruit platter, a pot of coffee, and some water. So we're gonna do that. I decided the only thing I really want to do today is lay by the pool, get my work done, and hit the gym. So it's not gonna get hot until like mid-afternoon. First of all, the pool is covered with shade and it's windy AF right now. I am chilling by myself. I'm kind of living my best life right now. I actually have so much editing to do right now. I have like 3 videos, including this one, that I need to edit. So I'm really behind on my videos. So I need to do that right now. Okay, yum. This looks so good. I am so excited to eat this, and they give you a really good amount of oatmeal. So this looks bomb. And I'm actually in such a work groove right now that I am pumped that I'm just kind of taking the day to chill.
Our night. And coming home and taking a shower, and then Friday morning.
So I'm just finishing up my video. I'm like almost done editing. I'm just doing a final wash through. Ew, there's literally hair on the bed. That's my hair. But I'm also like ordering stuff on Postmates. I got a few Celsiuses for me and Frankie for like pre-workout. Got a big Essentia water. I got a protein shake. It's a plant-based protein shake, the chocolate banana flavor. Got a few body armors, and then this Replenish. These are electrolyte drinks that I feel like when you're in the desert, you just feel super dehydrated, and I can't tell why, and I keep drinking so much water. I do also drink a lot of coffee, so I know that, but like my body is used to that. And half of them are decaf, but still it does dehydrate you. So I'm just making sure I'm staying on top of hydration. So I got some of those. I am gonna place an order and then make my thumbnail for the video, upload that, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. Okay, am I the most extra person in the world? Yes. Do I care? No. I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of what I got. So I told you guys that I got some of these like electrolyte things. Then I got a protein shake. This water I'm gonna bring to the gym. This I'm gonna have after the gym. I'm about to drink one of these right now. And then I got a couple more of these body armors and a few more Celsiuses for Frankie. So you know what? It is what it is. I'm happy now. Mini fridge is stocked now. Alright guys, so I'm at the gym, literally by myself. It's completely empty. I have just been walking on the treadmill for about 40 minutes now. Feels really good. Honestly, I had a snack before I came up here because when I was sitting down editing, I thought I was hungry. And then now I'm realizing I was not hungry at all, so I like shouldn't have had that because it made my stomach feel really weird and like super bloated. So my stomach's not in the best situation right now. So the walking has been helping with digestion a little bit, and I already feel better. I've just been watching YouTube videos, super chill and relaxed. I just did the Wordle. I don't know if you guys do the Wordle every morning, but Frank and I do it with his parents. But anyways, I'm gonna finish up, probably do like an hour-ish of walking, and then see what like weights and stuff I can do, just because I have the time, I guess. And then I think I'm gonna lay by the pool. I'm really annoyed because I edited that video. I edited down an hour's worth of footage into 30 minutes. It took me forever, and I like kind of edited it nicer than I normally edit. And then my computer's hard drive was full, so now I have to go get an external hard drive, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do that today. And tomorrow is the big golf tournament thing that we're supposed to be going to. So I'm really annoyed because I brought my computer, I've been vlogging, I've been doing my best to like stay on top of my work. I literally missed out on going to hang out with like all the other wives and girlfriends today so that way I could edit this video, and now I can't even upload it. I'm like, this is what I get for trying to like work when I'm on vacation, but it's not really my vacation. So I'm like, and I enjoy it. Like I enjoy editing and doing all that and uploading for you guys. So I'm just like kind of pissed, but whatever. I could do that instead of going by the pool. It's just going by the pool is literally going downstairs versus going to the Apple store is gonna take me much longer, and I'm just worried I'm not gonna have time. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I just got back in the room. I changed into this one piece. It's from Revolve, and then this little cover-up situation is from Frankie's Bikinis. And then I am gonna drink this protein shake and get some more work done by the pool. Frank should be done with his meeting like within the next, I would say 30 minutes to an hour. It's 3:30. He said he'd be done by 4, but who knows, he could be done at 5. So I'm just gonna go down there and chill and meet up with him whenever he's ready. So it's our last day in Scottsdale. I'm actually gonna put my glasses on. It is our last day in Scottsdale. Our flight is not till 5 p.m. So we are about to head into kind of like the shopping area, grab a coffee, do some shopping. We just like went to the gym this morning and had like a small bite because we were up pretty early. And this man is sitting here ignoring me. No, I'm kidding. He's on his work phone. But anyways, we're gonna then grab brunch with my friend Rachel, who lives here, which you guys would have seen in my other Scottsdale vlog. So yeah, and then we're probably not gonna have too much time before we head to the airport. You guys know me, I like to get there very early just to like, I don't know, settle in, eat, not have to worry. Guys, we just put our names down at the breakfast spot called Prep and Pastry, and then we went to Press, which is a coffee bar, and I grabbed a little cold brew because I haven't had coffee and I'm really tired. And honestly, I don't know why I'm really tired. I got like 8.5 hours of sleep, but we have time to kill before Rachel gets here because she had like work calls this morning. So we're just hanging, just gonna walk around maybe Scottsdale, this like little downtown area or whatever it's called, Old Town. There's like a Nordstrom and a couple other stores, so I think that'd be cute to like walk around. And right now we're just like enjoying a little coffee and gonna chill for a bit.